Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Icheck Pro blood pressure monitor. The model number for this particular digital blood pressure monitor is 116 as it's written over here. This comes with 2 times measurements for accuracy, pain-free monitoring with MDI, irregular heartbeat detection, powered through 4 AAA batteries, large size cuff which is 22 to 42 centimeters, arm movement indicator, micro USB port, cuff OK indicator and fully automatic BP monitor. More or less the same information is repeated over here as well, and that's all the information on the box. Net weight is around 362 grams, so it's not a very heavy equipment, not a very heavy product. So let's quickly take a look what's inside. First we have some documents. This is basically an extended warranty from Amazon. Another warranty card from Nureka. There you go, Dr. Trust basically. And this is the quick startup guide for the 116 digital blood pressure monitor. Everything that you want to know you'll find over here. I would obviously suggest that you go through this as many times as possible, this being a medical device. Now let's take a look at this packet first. This is basically the cufflink, the 22 centimeter to 42 centimeter cufflink. It also comes with, let me just show that to you first. There you go, packet of 4 AAA batteries. I will insert them into the monitor in a while and show that to you. But this is basically your cufflink. It comes with this Velcro attachment, and this is the air tube. This will connect to the blood pressure monitor. I will show that to you in a while. Let's take a quick look at the blood pressure monitor first. So there you go, this is what it looks like. There's a sticker on top. I'm not going to remove this. This is for product demo. You can scan this QR code as you can see and get a product demo, but it's actually pretty easy to use. I'll show it to you, but first let me just quickly show you what this thing is made of. This is made out of solid ABS plastic. It has this white color as you can see. It has a slope to it as well. This is for getting a better read of this LED monitor right over here, and there are 3 buttons for using it. And this is where the cufflink will get attached. And this is where the cufflink will get attached via the air pipe. But you also need to power it with 4 AAA batteries. So I am going to do that. Now attach this air pipe over here. Now I will wear this cufflink on my arm for the purpose of this video. So let's just do that. It's in. I'll make sure that the cufflink is not too tight, but just right. Just the right amount of tightness is required. Just make sure it fits snugly, and I'll give you a wider look at it. Now I'll turn this machine on. Let's see. You can see there is display, and it has started. It's reading right now. I can feel the pressure on the cufflinks. It's increasing. Measure both my diastolic and my systolic as it's indicated right over here. You can see and there's an OK symbol over here, which means that the cufflinks are fitted absolutely perfectly right now. It's also measuring my heart rate at the same time. And there you go, it's giving me my systolic and diastolic with 125 by 70. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Icheck Pro blood pressure monitor. The model number for this particular blood pressure monitor is 116. Thank you for watching.